What is block timestamp? It is a function that returns the timestamp of the current block, usually measured in seconds since the Unix epoch. It is often used to set time-based conditions within smart contracts such as release schedules or deadlines. Why avoid block timestamp? Miners can manipulate the timestamp within a limited range, which poses a risk for contracts relying on precise timing. The timestamp may not be entirely accurate, leading to potential inconsistencies in contract execution. Attackers can gain financial advantage by controlling transaction order or timing based on manipulated timestamps. Time-sensitive operations might fail, leading to loss of trust or financial damage. Instead of timestamps, use block numbers to measure time progression. It is more consistent and less prone to manipulation. Employ trusted time oracles that provide verifiable and tamper-proof time data. In summary, while block timestamp might seem convenient, its vulnerabilities can lead to significant security issues. Opt for more reliable alternatives to ensure your smart contracts remain secure and trustworthy.